Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix voicemail not working. So guys, you can see here guys, my voicemail is working properly here guys. If voicemail is not showing here, then I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all guys, close this page. Let me tell you that you can do it very easily. So first of all guys, you have to go to the settings app and then you have to set up the voicemail. So scroll it down, go to apps and locate for the phone app. So let me search for the phone app guys. Here you can see guys, here's the phone app, and from here guys what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. You can find voicemail and just simply have to turn this on. So guys, if you have turned this on and still voicemail is not working for you guys, just simply have to close this page. Now from here guys, open the settings and make sure that you're properly connected with internet. You can also turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 30 or 40 seconds and then turn this off. And after that guys, scroll down, then tap on general and then go to software update and just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version. So guys, if you have any update here, just simply have to install the update and then go back and then scroll it down. From here guys, just simply have to go to transfer reset iPhone, then go to reset, and from here guys you have to go to reset network setting and just simply have to put the passcode of your device and then you have to reset the network setting again. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.